Okay, we're going to talk about the double angle identities today. Recall double angle identities are, for the sine, you have sine 2 theta, that's equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta. We can prove that using the sine addition identity we did the other day. So sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cosine y plus sine y cosine x. And if we say sine of 2 theta is the same as sine of theta plus theta, we can apply that identity and get sine theta cosine theta plus sine theta cosine theta, which is 2 sine theta cosine theta. Oops. And that's proven. So if we have an angle, let's say we have angle alpha, and the sine of alpha is 3/5 and the cosine of alpha is 4/5, and we can say that the sine of 2 alpha is equal to 2 times the sine of alpha times the cosine of alpha, which is 2 times 3 times 4 is 24 over 25, 24/25. We can prove the cosine double angle identity likewise. Cosine 2 alpha, or 2 theta, sorry, is equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. And we'll use the cosine addition identity we came up with earlier. We have cosine of x plus y is equal to cosine x cosine y minus sine x sine y. And if we say cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine of theta plus theta, then we get cosine theta cosine theta minus sine theta, which is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, and that's the identity we were seeking to prove. We can take the same alpha we did above and say the cosine of 2 alpha is now equal to cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha. Cosine squared alpha is 4/5 squared, which is 16/25, and sine squared alpha is 3/5 squared, which is 9/25. So the cosine of 2 alpha would be 7/25. And these identities you need to know. You can come up with the tangent double angle identity and the secant and cosecant. First off, the cosecant double angle identity would just be 1 over the sine double angle identity. The secant double angle identity would be 1 over the cosine double angle identity. And then the tangent of 2 alpha would be the sine 2 alpha over cosine 2 alpha. So once you have the sine and cosine double angle identities, you just apply those. If we wanted to find a double angle for this one, we would just say sine 2 alpha was 24 over 25, and the cosine 2 alpha was 7 over 25, and we invert and multiply, and we see that the tangent of 2 alpha would be 24 over 7. And if we wanted cotangent, we would flip that. So those are our double angle identities.